Are you currently attending college, either on campus or online? Are you close to finishing high school and are just starting the process of applying to one? Or are you somebody like me that after years in the workforce are realizing that having a college education is imperative in today's workforce? In most high-profile, high-paying career fields today, you either can't get hired or promoted without some form of post-high school education. Maybe you thought to yourself that college is just too difficult or scary with all those deep writing assignments and tests. Well, for all of you, I want to tell you that college can be a lot of fun. And I'm not talking about the late night social activities and parties. I'm talking about the joy you can have in the process of learning new and exciting things, and the amazing feeling you get when you walk down that aisle in your cap and gown and receive your diploma. And at that moment, you will look back at what you've accomplished and have this bursting feeling of pride in your chest and the knowledge that the world now has so much more to offer you. In this short lecture series, I want to open your mind to the process of college and explain how there are two important yet distinct parts to higher education. First, there's the amazing knowledge you gain from studying, reading great articles, collaborating with those on the same journey as you, writing thought-provoking assignments, and researching new ideas that will blow your mind. And second, there's the system of education, or what I sometimes refer to as the big game. The test with trick questions, writing essays in a special and strange format, and the hours you spend reading until you actually feel nauseous. Believe me, I've been there, and it's this part of college that takes most of our time and causes hundreds and even thousands of students to drop out of college every single year. My name is Dr. Fowler, and I know firsthand what you're feeling and going through. I've been taking a full-time load of college courses myself since the beginning of 2000. Today I have 3 master's degrees and a doctorate from 3 different nationally accredited universities, and have been teaching online courses now for over 11 years. I tell you all this because I want you to know that I understand what you're going through. The struggles, the anxieties associated with college is very real, yet there is hope. In this course, I will show you all the tricks and techniques I've discovered over the years being a student myself, and will explain from a professor's standpoint what we look for in essays, how we design our tests and assignments, and the reality that how you write is almost more important than what you write. In taking this course, you will learn things such as how to set up your Microsoft Word document to do most of the formatting for you, how to make your textbooks read to you so you can listen while you drive or relax by the pool, how to take the essays that you work so hard on and stretch them to fill more pages, how to use programs such as Google Scholar and EndNote to take the work out of the technical part of writing, and many other helpful tips that will put the joy back into learning. I understand you want and maybe even need to obtain a degree. So join with me on this quest for learning, and together we can achieve that dream. Just take that first step, and in no time, you will be a college graduate.